Ambot. Ambotei mo.
Ja, du får god tur da. Lykke til.
Jeg sier bare lykke til. Pass på deg selv.
Vi kommer til å savne deg. Veldig mye.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Welcome to the Philippines, Daniel. No. Terima kasih.
Welcome to the Philippines.
Rents too, I'm getting kicked out, cause my male cousin's acting like a bitch now. I thought we're family, if y'all can't stand me, don't worry, I won't stick around. Moving to the other side of the planet, gotta work hard, gotta learn the language. Well, I'm not that stupid that my mom could do it. Give me 6 months and I understand it. Now take me to the top, tell me what's up, elevator. Won't stop till I drop, celebrator. New life and my crew tight, you mighty as taking off in a spaceship. See you later. What you got, think it's so hot, play a hitter. Watch out, baby, don't flop, demonstrator. Sick flow, let the kids know which pro microphone controller is not an imitator.
Baby boy, we save every single day. I needed you to stay. Baby boy, we save I miss you.
What if you don't go fuck this? Does this mean you won't be home for Christmas? I guess, but I miss you already, baby girl, from a 2-feet distance. Ride me, Skype with me every Sunday, gotta be consistent. I'll be when I'm free, don't you know you're the essence of my existence?
2011, the bomb before the massacre. What I saw with the images haunt me. Am I weak? Am I running away? I need a break, see you again next year. No way. Get up, get on up. I'm gonna do what Mr. Brown told me. Got it back, got mad, got head, cause I got stabbed by the brother of a homie. Homie, homie.
Baby boy, we save every single day. I needed you to stay. Baby boy, we save I miss you.
Got stabbed.
Only in the arm, didn't feel a thing. Ready to get it on, can't control me. Now in the Philippines, change is gonna come. I'm waiting for something holy. Only in the arm, didn't feel a thing. Ready to get it on, can't control me. Now in the Philippines, change is gonna come. I'm waiting for something holy.
I'm waiting for something holy. I'm waiting for something holy. While you take your time, I'ma race a 9mm A to Z in an instant, killing with her. Unmatched work, and they go, credit goes to me. When I go get it in this industry of superficiality and shallowness and vanity, I'm making progress, don't be mad at me. Jealousy looks cute on you, can it be that I'm free? Damn, what's gonna happen to my band? Been struggling with communication. Me and my brothers, motherfuckers, my fam. See me rockin' with toxic dandruff. Me and my brother just put out a CD. Now I'm living that for the mother country. No more promotion, no shows. Maybe nobody knows we got those flows, but they gon' see. Glock 1, I don't mean to bother you. Listen to the story of a OFW. The system might be useless, but every story's unique. Can't stop me from reaching the goals that I pursue. So long to my old job. Go hard, cause I'm no snob, but girl, I won't be home for Christmas.
Baby boy, we save every single day. I needed you to stay. Baby boy, we save I miss you.
Every single day. You see, I couldn't stay. Baby girl, be safe. I'll miss you.
What if you don't go fuck this? Does this mean you won't be home for Christmas? Christmas.
Vi kommer til å savne deg veldig mye, altså. Så du må se komme hjem snart.
Greit.
Ja.
Oi, say hi to Norway.